Animals in Camouflage by Phyllis, Limbacher, Tildes. I blend with the snow as I roam the ice floes of the Arctic in search of fat seals. I have a big furry body and large powerful claws. What am I? A polar bear. I can eat 100 pounds in one meal. When my cubs are old enough to leave the den, I teach them how to hunt. My large leathery wings look like the bright leaves that I love to eat. I can even tremble like a leaf in the breeze. What am I? A leaf insect. I am also called the walking leaf. Like my cousin, the walking stick, I am disguised as a plant to hide from birds, snakes, and other predators. I rest by day, hidden high in the shady branches of a tree. At night, I take flight. With my wings spread wide, I silently swoop to scoop up my prey. What am I? A great horned owl. I am also known as the hoot owl. My call is the echoing hoo hoo, hoo hoo, hoo hoo. I am a fierce hunter, catching rabbits, mice, and snakes to feed my hungry owlets. I wait on the petals of a flower, ready to pounce on beetles, bees, and flies. My body is shaped like a crab, and I can walk sideways and backwards. What am I? A crab spider. Unlike most spiders, I do not spin a web. I can slowly change my color to match the yellow or white flowers on which I can be found. I look like a little dragon hiding in gently waving seaweed. But my long snout is like a vacuum hose sucking in tiny creatures. What am I? A leafy sea dragon. I am a fish related to the seahorse. I live in the coastal waters of southern Australia. My leafy arms often fool big, hungry fish. I hide in a thicket, blending with the sunlight and shadows on the forest floor. I have camouflage spots that will disappear when I am older. What am I? A fawn. I am a baby white-tailed deer. My mother is called a doe, and my father is a buck and has large antlers for fighting other male deer. It is easy being green because I blend in with the leaves around me. I can even change to yellow or brown. From high in the moonlit tree or across a sparkling pond, I sing my spring song. What am I? A tree frog. I have round suction cups at the end of my fingers and toes to help me climb. To attract a female mate, I puff out the sack under my chin and croak for hours. The end.